The next program is logical instructions using 8051 microcontroller. So this is the program. We have initially taking the value to R0 register. So the value of what I was in for R0 is 34H. So with this value, I am going to do as one of the input, and the second input will be directly taken along with the accumulator. So we are going to do in this program AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation, complement, clear, rotate right and rotate left. So let us see one by one. So initially R0 is holding the value 34H, which is moved on to accumulator. So accumulator is now presently having the value as 34H. The first operation is AND operation. So it is having the second value 0 of FH. So we are going to perform the AND operation between 34H and 0FH, and the result will be finally stored in accumulator. And thereafter, the result whatever you are getting will be moved from accumulator to R1. So R1 will have the final end result of the AND operation performed between 34H and 0FH. Similarly, the next value again R0 will still have the value of 34. Again, it is taken to accumulator, and you can see that the previous accumulator value is moved on to R1. And now, although it is having the older value, now R0 will store a newer value, that is 34H, to again back to accumulator, because previously accumulator will have the old result generated from AND operation. So then we are performing OR operation as usual between 34H and 0FH, and the result will be stored in accumulator. So accumulator will have now the result of the OR operation, and that result will be moved on to R2 register. Still it will have the result of OR operation. So that is the reason again we are taking R0 to A. Again it will replace the value of accumulator to 34H. XOR operations performed between 34H and 0FH. The result will be stored to R3. And again 34H we are performing complement. So complement is we are changing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. And that result will be stored in R4. And clear is R4 34 value stored in accumulator, and clear accumulator means all the values will become 0 0. And again now that result will be stored in R5. So R1 holds the result of AND, R2 holds the result of OR, R3 holds the result of XOR, and R4 holds the result of complement, R5 holds the result of clear accumulator, and R6 holds the result of rotate right, which is performed 4 times, and again R7 performs the result of rotate left with the accumulator value, which is 34, and the result is stored in R7. And again we are also doing swap A. That is between, after swapping, we are having as the result is stored to B register. So let us see the execution, or let us see the operation. Yes. Now this is the value as I told you. This is the value 34H, which was initially present in R0. So we can say it as R0 is having the values 34H, and we are having the second value directly fed in the form of immediate addressing to accumulator. Means accumulator is now having from the program as 34. That is move R0, 34. 34 is loaded onto R0, and from R0 we have moved to A accumulator. So accumulator is having 34, and the value second value is 0F. So once we perform the AND operation between 34 and 0F, see this is how it goes on. So you can see the truth table of AND gate. That is 0 0 gives 0, 0 1 gives 0. So that is both inputs are high, it is high. That is 1 1 is 1. So you can see 0 1 is 0. Again 0 1 is 0. 1 1 is 1 as per the truth table. 0 1 is 0. So again 0 1 0 1 0 0 0. So all becomes 0. So if we split it, it becomes 0 4 H. And OR operation is same way. The truth table is there. So it says 0 1 is 1, and again 0 1 is 1. 1 1 is again 1, and 0 1 is 1. 0 1 is 1. 0 1 is 1. If Both inputs are low, output is low. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So if you have the equal hexadecimal value, it is 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3 and 4, 1 is F. So 3F. So 3F must be present in R2. And XR is, you can refer the truth table. So we get the result as 3BH. That is 0, 1 is, that is 3, this 1, this 0 and this 1. So 0, 1 is 1 as per the truth table. Again 0, 1 is 1, 1, 1 is 0, and 0, 1 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 1, 0 is 1, 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0 is 0. So we got the result of XR. This must be the result to be obtained from R3 resistance 3VH. And complement is, it becomes 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, that is here. This one 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, 1, 1, 1 becomes 0, 0, 0, 1 becomes 1, 0, and 0, 0 becomes 1, 1. So we get the result as 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is CB. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 is Z, and 1, 0, 1, 1 is B. So that result will be taken from R4. So let us see how the program runs. And R5 is clear, so it will make it to 0, 0. And rotate right. So rotate right is we have 34. So what we do is 34 is we have 34. So imagine 34 we have. So that is equivalent as we say it as 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now when you do rotate right, the LSB value will go to MSB. So it becomes, so LSB value this 0, this last LSB 0 will go to here MSB. So it becomes 0 and the remaining value is what? 0, 0 till here we should write. It is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So it becomes like this. It is one rotation. Now again I have to do one more rotate right. So again this LSB will go to the last bit. LSB will go to MSB. So it becomes 0. The remaining value is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this is second rotation. So rotate and again third rotate right. Again LSB is 1. That comes to MSB after doing rotate right. So 1. The remaining values becomes rotate right. 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros and 1, 1, 0. This is third rotate right. And again we are going to one more rotate right. That is fourth rotation. So again LSB is 0. So it comes to MSB 0. And the remaining bits also get rotate right. So 1, 4, 0, 1, 1. So from this 0, 1, 0, 0 is what? You know it is 4 and 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. So the result should be obtained as 4, 3. So let us see after running the program whether we are getting 4, 3. Yes. So after typing the program, we know the procedure. We need to save it as .asm file, and after saving it, we need to see it's like this. I'm removing this file. So after saving the program, so I would save it as logical.asm save, and again after saving it, I'll give right click add files to source group. I'll pick it as .asm file. We have set as logical.asm add close, and we are going to translate, and there is no errors, and build and rebuild. Let us debug the program. Start debug. So debug, when you do step by step, initially the value is taken as R0 to accumulator. Yes, it's taken to accumulator. A is 034, so 0x34. And after performing the AND operation, that is as I told you previously, you can see in the previous operation that I told you, after performing the operation 34 and 0, we get the result as 04 as the end result. So that is still available in accumulator, and that has to be moved to R1 register as per this section. If we debug, yes, it is moved on to R1 register. Similarly, OR operation 34 and 0F OR operation performed. So let us 34 is stored in again. We have to fetch the value again to accumulator. Perform the OR operation between 34 and 0F. 34 is present in accumulator and 0F is taken. So the result must be 3F. So we can see, if you want, you can see the result. This 3F we get, and this is 04H. And XOR similarly, again 34 and 0F, the result will be obtained. So let me do the step by step. The result is stored in R2 register of XOR operation. 34 is fetched, and the result is 3B after performing XOR operation between 3, 4 and 0FH. So that result is moved on to R3 as indicated here. R3, A. And again, complement A is 3, 4 as I told you. 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0. So 0 it is 0, 0, 1, 1 becomes 1, 1, 0, 0. And 0, 1, 0, 0 becomes 1, 0, 1, 1. So that is 3, 4. So again, it is complement, it is CB. The result is, yes, it is complement is CB. 3, 4 is a value which we have to do complement. So that is CB is moved on to R4. Next is clear. So clear is accumulator value will become 0. So 3, 4 is there in the accumulator. So after performing clear, your accumulator becomes 0, 0. And again that will be moved on to R4. So it is moved on to R4. Sorry, not R. It is R5. So R5 is maintaining 0, 0. Again rotate right. So when we perform this, first it becomes 1A. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. For first rotate right. Again second rotate right becomes 0D. And third rotate right becomes 86. And fourth rotate right becomes 4-3. So the once you rotate 4 times, it becomes 3, 4 becomes 4-3. So that result is moved on to R6. Similarly, rotate left is done 4 times. First result is 6B. Then D0. Third rotate is A1. Fourth rotate left is 4-3. So 3, 4 becomes 4-3 again for rotate left. Again 4-3 is loaded onto R7. So we do again 34 is loaded onto accumulator. And we do swap A. So swap A, 3, 4 becomes 4-3. It is we are doing within the accumulator, and the result must be stored in B register. You can see B register, we get 4-3. So this is how the logical operations are performed. So there is one more way of executing it. Directly we can run the program, start debug, and give just debug run. We get all the values of R0 to R7, as well as we have B register value swap A, swap accumulator value.